Alex, what happened? Oh my God. What happened, boy? My cute bird? My cute bird? Toot toot? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, do you want to poo? Oh my God. Rio? Rio? This green one, this one. This is Alex, a boy. Always try to bite and very active, hyperactive. And this yellow one, she is Rio, very lovable. And she loves. And this green one, a lovebird, name is Alex, always ready to bite, but very smart and active. Yeah. Where is Rio? Rio, what happened to you? What happened to you? Oh, sleepy. Oh, you cutted me. You cutted me. You angry boy. You angry boy. Very naughty, Alex. You bite me. This is not good. Not good. No, no. Oh.